Hello, my name is Dr. Black and I'm a VTuber now. So I'm trying to make a VTube character on my own in both 2D and 3D platform. So I'm gonna show you what software that I use and how I created all that, and I'm gonna show you what software I use right now and how I created this character and make it work. For that you need mainly two software. One is vroidstudio to create this character, and we will use vseeface to make it interactive. There are lots of other software that I'm gonna show you. These two software that I mainly use, so let's get to it. First of all, download this software from the link in description below. I have created this model, that's why it's in here. You can create your new model by just clicking in create new. Female or male, I will go with the male. So you can change face by here. Where is the settings? Yeah, low quality. Okay, now it's look good. There are different face you can use: attractive, rude, normal, crybaby. I will go with this. Cat face. Okay, let's go with this. You can change eye from, it's more for females. We will go with the the most normal looking ones. Iris, that's good. Yeah, that look good. Change to purple. Little darker. Yeah, you can change size from here. Okay, eye highlights. What's that? I mean, you can play around and just create your own character. Eyelids, we don't need that. Eyeliner, we don't need that. It's mostly for female creator, to make it as beautiful as they can. We don't need beautiful, we just need creator character. Skin tone, whatever you like. I will just go with the default. What the hell? Oh, let it be, whatever. Face paint, kiss mark, whatever. Scars. What's this? Sick. I have these on. Let's make it thick. Smiling, sad, angry. Let's go with the angry. Not the angry. The choice look good. They are making way more. Let's go with the hairstyle. See, that's what I'm talking about. They have more female thing rather than male. You can use short hair if you are male. This one is good. That's what I used in my previous character. Yeah, that's good. Body, whatever. Outfit. Yeah, baby. This is also good. Yeah, you can change tops too from here, like school guy. Bottoms doesn't matter, but let's go with this. Dresses, neck, arm, gloves, inner, if you are interested in those things. Boots if you want to show that. Let's focus on this. You can also custom add your things from everywhere. If you have created, you can also do this from here. Make it more wider, shorter, bulkier. Let's make it wear a jacket. accessories. I don't have accessories. You can add it anyways. I want to change outfit to something, you know. Yeah, that look good. You can change color from here, or you can write something here too. Great, and there are hoodies too. If you go straight up, there is hoodies, but I already have someone in hoodie, so I'll go with the black t-shirt, which is one of my favorite things. I need to, yeah, it's looking normal. Okay, then you have to go here and export as .vrm, plate v2 because it's version 2. Dr. export version 2.vrm. That was my first. This is version 2. It's exported. So you will get file like this, unzip it, and you will get something like this. Then you don't have to, you know, install or anything. You just click here and it will just launch it. Then add avatar, go to your wherever you save your file, open, choose your cameras, your settings, your FPS. If you want high quality, medium quality, low quality. If you are playing games, you need a medium to low quality. If you have, you know, even if you have 2080 Ti, that's what I have, but it still lag when I'm playing Apex, so I need to put into like low quality at that time. If you are just chatting, just like doing right now, you can put in a high quality, choose your microphone, and you're good to go, and just select your avatar and start, and then you have it. There are different things. So if your character is like this, because it sometimes happens because of the first time your camera sees you, just press R and it will reset everything. This button over here, if you press it, it will make it invisible. You can see over here there are overlays, so you need to press this to get rid of it. So now you are visible. There are other settings that you can mess around, like leap motion settings, effect settings, lighting, expressions, and general settings. You can add props here. Avatar, you can change your avatar from here. You can reset your position from here too if you don't want to press R. These are movement range. The more you have it, the more movement you have. Normal is good. Movement smoothing is like it don't move at all. If it's red, I'll put it mostly in this range, so it's good. Why it's like what happened to my character, bro? Oh god damn it, something's wrong. Let's go with the manual one. I already show you how it's work. So yeah, that's how you create it. You can press shift control F1 to natural, F2 smiling, F3 aggressive, F4 happy, F5 sad. You cannot say hello or anything. As I told you in the beginning, there are other software that you can also use for the interaction that I'll show you in the other videos. I already used them. This is the journey I'm gonna make from here to a 3D interactive character, and I will share it to you guys if you are interested in. So make sure to subscribe, I guess. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you to next. Peace.